What's up, you guys? Today is Saturday and I have a little bit of anxiety because I'm going downtown today. I got a lot on my agenda today. I have to go to Orange Theory. I have a class at 11:15, and then I'm gonna go get some lunch at Whole Foods in Midtown, which is my favorite Whole Foods. Have a lot of memories, good memories of that Whole Foods on Ponce. And then I am going to my mom's house. Then I want to go to iKea. Then I want to go to Pottery Barn. And then if I have the energy, I might go to the grocery store, or we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do about, oh shit, the trash is in my trunk. So like I said, I'm on the way to Orange Theory. ETA is 11:13. Class starts at 11:15. So I should have 2 minutes to find a parking spot, park, and run to class if all goes well. And there is a 10-minute grace period, so I will be okay. But let me go ahead and get driving, and I will see you guys at Orange Theory. Let's get it.
Drop her all up the partition, please. I don't need you seeing Beyonce on her knees. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. We ain't even gonna make it to this club. Now my mascara running red and lipstick smudge. Oh, he's so honey, yeah, he wants too far. He walked on my buttons and he ripped my blouse. He monocolor whiskey all on my gown. Water daddy didn't bring the towel. Whoa, baby, better slow it down. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. And we ain't even gonna make it to this club. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, the kind of girl.
So in this shot, I am meeting our kitten for the first time. At first we thought that it was a girl, but turns out it's actually a boy. So my mom rescued this kitten outside of her job, and in this clip I'm stopping by to meet the kitten so that I can get an idea of whether I want to adopt him or not. And we ended up adopting him. He's the cutest thing in the world. So meet Astro. Oh! She's trying to eat my salad. Oh. Right. Girl. Can I eat my salad, girl? Girl, you was hungry. You like the she loves this salmon. She is not playing around. She's not gonna throw up if I give her chicken, is she?
Huh?
She's not gonna throw up if I give her chicken.
She hasn't thrown up yet. No, because I gave her turkey for dinner one day.
Yo, she is going crazy.
Oh yeah, she's an eating machine.
Like
She
literally tried to jump in my salad. Now I'm at iKea, and this iKea trip is just for ideas, just for inspiration. I do this a lot where I go places and just get inspiration. I do a lot of window shopping, and that really helps me to come up with different ideas and designs. So without rambling too much, I'm gonna go ahead and go in, and I'll show you guys what we're looking at. Let's get it.
I did last night.